Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to work on my XR500 here. I restored this bike in the 7-part video. I'll put the description below. Another thing, I've got the video how to take this motor apart and put it back on. I'll put that in the description below too for those videos. So this thing here smokes a lot when you first start it up for about a minute or two. It's got lots of compression, so just got to be the valve seal. So I'm going to show you how to change that. You see the oil leaking through the seal right there on top of the exhaust valve right there on both sides, right there. The intake's good, just the exhaust is bad. I'm just gonna take all the bolts off here. There's 2 more on the inside here. There's dowel pins there, don't lose them. 1 dowel pin there and 1 there. Yep, I got them. Put that back there. Check my chain, make sure it's still tight. Rocker arms really look good. Chain is tight, perfect. Gonna remove the spark plug here. I'm gonna lower the piston all the way down. I'll put a bungee cord in here. Sure it goes all the way in. Alright, so put the piston all the way up. That's as much as it goes. That should keep the valves from dropping down. So I got my motor supported here. I drilled a 12mm hole here in a piece of wood here, and for my valve compressing tool. So I'm going to put that underneath here, and the valve will go up and down a little bit, but there, it broke away right there. Press it down, and the valve should pop up. It pops up, so I'm going to take my keepers off here. And release it. Pop my seal off here. And put my new one in. She's in there now. I'm going to put a little bit of semi-lube here, or hard grease. I put that in so when I put my valve, my keepers back in, they stick there really good. Make sure it's all clean. Yeah, looks good. Alright, so I'll stick this back in here. These are tapered, so it goes one way. Stick it to the other side here. Alright, perfect. I'll put that there, so when I put this in here, I can go on an angle this way, so it won't fly off that way. I gotta brace my motor here so it won't slide that way. My last one here, put a little bit of hard grease on there. Nice and easy. I got 1 in there. Just gonna put the other one in. There you go, just like that. Now you can pull on this here. If it comes out, it's good. If not, you have to rotate your motor through here backwards. But mine came out, so that's pretty good. So I'm gonna clean all this up and degrease it, get it ready to put back together, and I'm gonna put some oil right in here for the camshaft. Put a little bit of oil in here. I degreased everything, put a little Permatex gasket maker right there, and the 2 dowel pins, 1 there, and 1 here. Put my plug in there. The lobes of the camshaft are facing down, so there's no pressure on the valves. I'm going to put this in here first. There's supposed to be a copper gasket on here, right here. I don't have it. There's a torque sequence for this. I'll post a picture right here. I'm going to torque these down to 100 inch-pounds. So I'm going to set the valves on this. So the intake is 0.002 of an inch, so that's 2 thou, or 0.05 of a millimeter. And the exhaust is 4 thou, or 0.1 of a millimeter. I rotated the motor a few times. Now it's at top dead center. I'm just going to crack these up loose a little bit. Let's see if I can set that back in there. Yep. Just that one's a little bit loose. I'll set that up a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Now I could feel a little bit of play there, just a little tiny bit. Got my caps back on, and I set my decompression cable here to 1 to 3 millimeters of play. Mine's set at 1.5 there, right there. That's perfect. Put this bolt in first, right here. This one here. I'll jack up the motor a little bit. Put my clutch here. I heated this up with a heat gun a little bit, and the carburetor slides in much easier. I'm gonna put my 3 bolts in here for the gearbox. Put the cable in. Don't forget my spring. Alright, I'm ready to start it up. Hopefully she don't smoke. Alright, the gas on, choke is on. Alright, I like that. Didn't smoke at all. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.